Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look right here. I was actually inspired by the KL Polish brand to do this look. I have on my nails a kind of a combination. It's like pink, and then it also has some gold glitter on this finger and then on my thumb. And I just got really inspired by this color combination that I came up with using Kathleen Lights's polishes. So these are the polishes right here. This is the shade Alyssa, and then this is the shade Casino Night. I just thought the pairing was really cool, and then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I want to do a makeup look inspired by these two shades right here. So that's what we're going to be doing today. As always, everything I use is going to be down in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when my videos go up. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. Alright, so first we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is what I use with every single eye look that I do because it helps keep my eyeshadow on for a very long time. It doesn't crease. It's just an awesome eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Color Powder and just set that primer down. Then I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasure palette, and I'm starting with my eyes today. I'm going to take that shade right there and just start putting that into my crease to give it a little bit of definition. This is one of my favorite palettes, and it says it's limited edition, but it's been out for like a year now, so if you haven't tried it, you definitely should. Their like glittery sparkle formula is to die for. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas. I'm taking that same different color and just building that up right where I put the first color. I am keeping it a little farther down, as you can see though. I'm going to take that shade, it's a little bit of a darker brown, and start to put that in my outer V. I'm going to be very, very particular about this. I'm not going to bring this up to my crease. I'm not going to take it above those two first shades that I put. It's just to deepen up the outer V and give it a little bit of dimension in that outer V area. I'm going to take that really amazing pink sparkle shade. It's almost like a pressed glitter, and use my fingers to apply that to my lid. It is insanely metallic. Favorite formula. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And I lost an eyelash there. I'm just putting this on both of my eyelids. I'm going to go back in and deepen up that outer V a little bit because I feel like we lost a little bit of that pigment when we put the lid shade on. I'm going to take that black and deepen up the outer V even more. But you want to be very careful because this black is very pigmented, and as you can see here, I got a little out of hand with it. I tried to blend it out and make it work, but it's a dark black. I'm putting that lid shade on again and just blending it with the black, and then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and remove some of the fallout that happened when using this palette. That's why I did my eyes first. I'm going to take the Kane & Austin Prime and Protect Mattifying Primer and prime my face with this. I like this a lot because it's very mattifying and it has a tint, so it adds a little bit of coverage. Then I'm going to go in with the CYO Long Lasting Foundation in the shade 102 and apply this with the Blue Beauty Blender. This is an amazing foundation if you want a natural finish, but also something that's not going to make you look super dewy or super matte. It's just kind of in the middle, and it lasts a super long time on my skin. This is a great drugstore foundation. And I'm going to use the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer to conceal my dark circles underneath my eye, and I'm using the same beauty blender to blend that out. And then I just set it with the same RCMA No Color Powder, and I set it before I did my second eye because I find that this concealer does crease if I do both my eyes at the same time, so I just do one by one. I'm going to take it on my forehead, down my nose, and then on my chin again also, just to even out the concealer on my face, so it's not so bright under my eyes. I'm going to set all of that with the same RCMA No Color Powder just to mattify all of that. I'm going to take the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette and use the contour shade in there just to give my face a little bit of definition. I'm using this as a contour and also a bronzer, and I'm just putting that in all of the places that you apply bronzer. I'm going to take the blush as well from that palette and use that. And I'm going to take the, oh my gosh, Champagne Pop from Becca, the Skin Perfector. It's gorgeous. I haven't used this in such a long time, but I wanted to use this because I felt like it went really well with the dark black and the pink that I had on my eyes. And I'm taking it on my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and at the tip of my nose as well. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade to do my eyebrows. And I'm just filling them in like normal. Then I'm going back in with the palette and using that gold right there and using a flat definer brush to push that right underneath my lower lash line. I really want that color to pop on my lower lash line because, again, it's inspired by my nail polish and we want that gold to really be visible. So I'm bringing it all the way into my tear duct, which I normally don't do, but for this look I wanted to do that. I'm going to take this cream gel liner from ColourPop. It's called Swerve. It's a really dark black, and put that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black and put a little bit of that eyeliner on my top, like right by my lashes, just to make my lashes look a little bit more full, but I'm not bringing it all the way in. And I'm just using my same CoverGirl LashBlash Fusion Mascara to put some mascara on my lower lashes. I did have eye extensions here, so eyelash extensions, not eye extensions. So I just put mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm going to take the Champagne Pop highlighter that I used and put it on my inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Glace. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in my next video.